Welcome everyone. At this session, we are showcasing CYP Smart Education Solution. This solution is designed for a modern classroom, bringing together cameras, multimedia devices, and the interactive whiteboard into one seamless setup. At the heart of it are the CSC-VPR-3421 and the SDM-S301E, delivering powerful performance and a flexible integration. You get stunning 4K UHD image quality, along with multi-view layouts. So multiple content can be displayed at once for a clear and more engaging learning experience. The system also supports live streaming and recording, so every teacher moment can be captured and shared. This makes it perfect for hybrid and remote learning. You can stream content directly to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch, while recording can be saved to USB or network storage. And the switching between layouts and the sources is quick and easy, whether through the front panel or the controller pad. All of these come together to give educators more versatility and open up a new possibility for learning.